Hi, Jeff. It's great to see you. And I'm looking forward to discussing how you can help us on this account.
That's great, Sonia. So you heard Sonia speak in English. Let me go ahead and use this new interpreter feature. And I'm going to go into language and speech, turn on AI interpretation, pick the language. In this case, Sonia is speaking English, but we want to hear her in Spanish. And what's going to be pretty amazing is it's going to be in her voice, but in Spanish. So let's give her the thumbs up so she can go. And just like an interpreter, it needs to let her talk for a second before it can pick up.
We had a great discussion, and it's clear what we need to do next. I'm looking
Tuvimos
forward
una
to
gran
meeting with the
discusión.
customer next week.
Y está claro lo que tenemos que hacer a continuación. Espero reunirme con el cliente la próxima semana.
Yeah.